Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here.
Guys, for today's episode, we are going to discuss the latest collection of Coach for Spring-Summer 2026 New York Fashion Week collection. I'm so excited because I will be sharing to you the latest runway pieces, the new collection of bags from Coach. So we are going to feature most of the pieces on the runway. So all you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. Enjoy!
Guys, I'm inviting you, of course, to make sure that you watch until the end of our episode. And happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Premierify2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Alright guys, so we are going to discuss the Spring-Summer 2026 New York Fashion Week runway collection of Coach. So here are the bags that I really love. So first, this would be a trending bag once it got launched. So this is the Kiss Lock barrel bag. Material is cowhide leather. Color is white with brass stone hardware, and we are going to see that this bag has two longer straps that we could wear as a shoulder carry. It would come, guys, in different colors and material. So this is my personal favorite with the Kiss Lock barrel bag. So as you can see, the material is full grain leather in the colorway black, as you're noticing that the Kiss Lock pockets are present on fronts, in which the hardware complements the black colorway. And then of course this one, another beautiful material for the Kiss Lock barrel bag. So we have it in the denim. So as you're going to see, two longer shoulder strap. It would also feature the classic Coach bag tag or dog tag. Then we are going to see the Kiss Lock pocket in front. So what do you think of this denim material, guys? Next on the collection, so we have the colorway. Guys, this is not the official name, latte, but it kind of looks like coffee to me. So same material. So the material of this one is cowhide leather with brass stone hardware. Then of course the Kiss Lock pocket in front is available, and of course it would come with the two longer straps for shoulder carry. Next on the collection, so another Kiss Lock barrel bag, but this time in the color caramel. And of course, we are noticing that they have featured the suede leather. So I believe this could be purchased immediately right after the collection because it is perfect for fall and winter weather or season. Next, we have another, if you're into suede leather bags as of the moment, so they also have released it in color like maybe black or dark navy, as we could see here. So same material. I love the slouchy detail of the Kiss Lock barrel bag, and I love that it doesn't have any logo. Very quiet luxury, very understated. I think that is why Coach is really pushing for their Kiss Lock feature and returning it from their archive. So here we have another one in cowhide leather in the color caramel. So you're going to see how gorgeous this is. And of course, with the slouchy, soft cowhide leather, gives the bag a very luxurious feel. So guys, here is another look of the colorway black in this very beautiful full grained leather. I really do love the luxurious feel. Hopefully guys, this is not on the expensive side, but look how rich, beautiful, understated this Kiss Lock barrel bag in the cowhide leather and the colorway black.
Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it.
I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright guys, so next on the collection, so we have the Tabby clutch. So they have released a couple of Tabby clutch in different colorways and material. So the very first one in this very beautiful cowhide leather in the colorway white or chalk. What I have noticed that the size of the Tabby, I believe this is bigger than 26 centimeters, perhaps 32 centimeters, because it kind of looks like an east-west style. Next on the Tabby clutch, we have the colorway black. So this one, black cowhide leather with brass stone hardware. What I love about this one, of course, since we already have a Tabbies on our clutches, so just easily remove the straps, then you could carry it as a clutch like this. Really looks chic and really luxurious. Then another new design of Coach by their creative director, but bringing in the kiss lock feature. So this is not the official name. We have the kiss lock hobo bag. So the material is cowhide leather, and the colorway of this one is like in burnt caramel. It would feature brass stone hardware with adjustable leather strap. Then of course, the main design of the bag is in the hobo design finish. As you can see how beautiful this colorway is, like in a chocolate colorway, not the official name. We are also seeing like a burnishing feature of the leather. Then of course it features the classic kiss lock pocket at the front of the bag. Then of course the strap is fully adjustable, so you could carry this, I believe, as a crossbody, and you could carry as a shoulder carry. Then of course another beautiful colorway, not the official name, but colorway latte or coffee, so or cream perhaps. So you're going to see guys, just look how rich this full grain leather is. It features also the kiss lock pocket in front, which I truly love. I really want guys to add, you know, this kinds of bag in my collection. Really understated, no logo, but of course using very beautiful and very soft calfskin leather, just like this kiss lock clutch. So if you're looking for a very chic understated clutch bag, then go for this one. So the colorway of this one is like in color brick. Of course it features the kiss lock hardware in the brass stone colorway. Next on the collection, so this one same, the size of this one guys, it is like a giant version of the kiss lock coin purse of Coach. So the colorway of this one is in latte. Then of course it features the same colorway, the brass stone kiss lock hardware of Coach. So this one, I'm not sure if this comes with a wristlet or a strap, but for the meantime, this is a clutch bag. So guys, not the official name. This is like the newer version of the swinger bag. On the runway, they have released two designs. So it features cowhide leather in combination of the classic Coach canvas. So as you're going to see, this is the close-up look. Then the difference of this one, I believe the strap is fully detachable now. Then of course it would come in this colorway as well. So which one is your favorite? So close up on the patchwork detail. So it has leather, it has suede, then of course it has the classic Coach canvas. Then of course it has the cowhide leather trim, so you could carry it as a shoulder bag like this. Then if you have an extra strap, you could use it to elongate the shoulder strap. Then guys, so we have, of course, we have the kiss lock micro bag. So these are mainly worn as a necklace like this. How beautiful and chic it is. And I believe, of course, you could tie it up as a bag tag or as a bag charms on your different bags. So what do you think of the kiss lock micro bag? I love, of course, that colorway. And of course guys, this is another look of the barrel bag. So as you can see, what do you feel or how do you feel about the kiss lock barrel bag? Me personally, I really love it, and it is a big yes for me.
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a shopping bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing family by clicking this cute little icon here So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramirafy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!